if you're big or small, you're winning. Don't let them talk down when just tell them all that you're pretty. And them girls are rose could never win.
Hey guys, Kay here. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your social media pack, brand it for your business or just for your social media following period. Alright, so what you'll do is go to my website /social media pack, and you'll just slide down. You can read this later. Grab your free social media pack below. So I would just put my name and then add an email address. So we'll do the ktomas@kcreative.com and get it now. It is sending you directly to your Canva account. And yes, you will need Canva to do this. You can have the free version or you can have the paid, which is Canva Pro. And also, if you don't have Canva Pro, you can, or you want to try it out, it's 30 days free. So I would suggest you sign up for that. But anyways, so here we are, and here's the pack. It just follow Let's Stay Connected. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, and listen to my music on Spotify. I have a lot of friends that rap and sing, so I thought that was important to throw in there as well. You can add listen to my podcast or whatever as well, and then just put podcast here, add whatever color you want, and then go to elements over here on the left side, and then just look for the podcast symbol that you want. So like if you do Apple Music instead, you could just put the Apple Music logo there. And here is the example that you saw, so what it is and what it could look like. And so we're going to jump into it. Right, so we're going to go to the left side panel, go to uploads, and I'm going to upload the files that I need. I have him already in a folder. He's a producer that I know here in Alabama. I have some pictures that I've taken of him and a couple of his CD covers, his album covers that he has. So today I'm feeling a little purple-like, and I really love this picture of him holding the mic. So we're gonna do that. Add his album cover. Also, I sent a screenshot of his social media, so I took a screenshot of his Instagram, since that's what we're going to be doing. All right, now that we have everything uploaded, let's start moving things around. I have his background. Now you can put this in here two different ways. You can add it just by clicking on it and then hit set the background, but then you would have to delete this. But we're not going to do that, because we want the template to stay the same. So we're just going to delete that and then drag and drop here. And sometimes you have to play around with it because it don't want to actually do what it's supposed to do. So yeah, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to grab a gradient. Now I want a white gradient because you can't really see behind here that well, but so there's already one here. So what you would do is you would just click where you see that little white gradient. If you have a colored background, it'll probably be easier to see, and you'll just move it to where the Let's Stay Connected would be, or wherever you feel like it's better seen at, right? So mine is on the left side. I don't want Let's Stay Connected there. I'm just gonna put follow me on Instagram. And I'm going to go back to my uploads, and I'm going to show you how to put your screenshot, or whether it's just a regular picture of you or your products, then you would just add this here, okay? So we're going to move the phone because the phone is going to try to delete itself, the background will. So we're going to move the phone to the left side, and we're just going to drag and drop his Instagram there, and then we're gonna lock that, okay? And then you see how that goes. Everything is going to be really sensitive when you move it around, so just be careful. But you can always press the back button. All right, so we're just gonna scoot this down just a little bit so that it looks like it's creating the background for the phone, and then boom, you have a phone graphic of your Instagram feed or TikTok feed, Facebook feed, whatever you would like to go on there, you would just do it that way. Also, you could change the colors of the text if you wanted to, depending on how you would want that. All right, I'm going to keep mine black. And because his album cover is purple, and you see a lot of purple here, I think he likes purple, and that's why I wore purple today too, to go along with the video. So I'm just gonna press this here, and then I'm gonna find a purple that I like. I would just go to document colors, and then go to the purple, and then just play around and see what purple that I would want to go for. And I think right along here is fine. Alright, and so next I'm going to just grab the picture of him in the mic. And this is the best part for me, is being able to take the background out of a photo. So now that I have all 3 photos, I don't need this anymore. So I just go to edit image and background remover. This is only available for Canva Pro. So if something like this you were doing, you wouldn't be able to take the background out if you were wanting to, but you can also, you can add the picture wherever you want it. Like if you need it here and just bring it down a little bit, you can do something like that as well. But for what I'm going to show you, I'm going to remove the background. And it just takes a couple of seconds, and it removes the background pretty well. Sometimes there's, depending on what your background looks like, there may be some mess ups, so you could erase or restore them. But since this one did pretty good, we're just hit apply, and then we're just going to move him up just a little bit and put him here. And you see how that M is taken up on his hand? I want him to be that main focus, so we're going to just add him to the front. So you hit position and to front. And that way, the M is now in the back, and so is the social media icon that's there. And we're going to add his handle. So we're going to just put SL Big Jack, right? And then we're going to make it smaller by either adjusting it this way, or you can adjust it to the number that you would want here. Alright, so those are 2 different ways you could do that. And we're going to just add this to the middle. You can have the handle wherever you want it, whether you want it here or under there, depending on how short it is. On the left side, wherever you want to put it is your creative ability that you can do here. All right, so I can't see it well, so we're gonna make it white and see how that looks. And I still don't think I really like it that color either, but the purple I'm not able to see as much, so we're going to just move that white light down just a little bit. And also with him being out in the sun when we took that picture, the light shines in that direction, so that makes it look even better. So now we're going to just change this white line to black, since now you can't really see that very well. But yeah, here is the final thing. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this was helpful. Hope it wasn't too long. But I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Please tag and share with me your designs. I would love to see them and see what you came up with. And also, these are free. You can reuse them, you can repurpose them, and you can use them to make income with as well. If you want to sell them on Etsy, or if you want to sell them on your website, all you need is that link that I sent you, and then just add that wherever it needs to go. But these are yours. I hope that you enjoy them, and I hope that you use them. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.